This video covers the quick identification of an unknown material by FTIR. For this we change our setup and go from zinc selenide ATR crystal to diamond. While zinc selenide is versatile and economic, diamond crystals are most robust, allowing measurement of almost any sample. To start our FTIR identification, we first have to measure a background. A clean ATR crystal is very important. Use rubbing alcohol and soft tissues to clean the ATR diamond before starting the measurement. To get a clean sample spectrum, avoid touching the crystal or the sample with your bare hands. Use a tweezer or spatula to prepare the sample measurement. Place the sample onto the ATR crystal and apply pressure. Only tight contact between sample and diamond will produce good spectral intensity. Use Spectra Preview to verify contact. An automatic search within spectral reference libraries is directly performed after the measurement. Spectral libraries are a great tool for identification and provide additional information. FTIR is widely applied for chemical identification. It's used to investigate competitors' products, in troubleshooting, or when unknown illegal and potentially hazardous substances are encountered. It is applied in manufacturing and quality control, as well as forensics, research and teaching. Thanks for watching. See you next time.